George Maddox.
So the project for today is to put a base down for a kiddie pool here. I got some of this foam board here, and just to prep for a pool. So just gonna put this down here. This foam board will make it so that it's not hard on the floor. I did clean the patio yesterday just with a power washer quickly. Just going to tape it up. So I want it to be 12 by 10. So these sheets are 4 by 8. So that's 12. And then I need to cut this one through the middle. But let me first start taping these up. And then after this I'm going to put a tarp over it. So actually, let me just cut this around. Just in the middle, looks like it. So there's a line you can just go over. Let's do that again. That's one. Need to cut this one in half. And this should be 10 by. There we go. So I got some Gorilla Tape because it's UV resistant. So I'm just going to stick them together with some tape. I don't think I need to tape it all because we're going to put the pull on top anyway. So really this step to add the foam for a pull. It's not needed, it's just more comfortable, just for comfort. I'm doing this 10 by 12, but the pull is actually only 10. The circle. So just these two ends, and then I'm done taping this up. Okay, so now I can put the tarp down. Which is also a tarp for outdoor use. These won't go bad. Like, there's a lot of cheap tarps that go bad quickly, but these will last. So yeah. Take the edges. Oh, helps if I correctly orientate it. So either the sheets are a little off or the tarp is a little off. Not that it matters. So I am probably gonna tape the entire thing though. Like this, tape it all the way down. It's actually comfy. It's my knife. I know everybody will be saying I can just cut it off with my hands, but I dislocated my thumb the other day, hence be more careful with it. The sun gets pretty warm actually. My knife. Don't forget to bring the knife. Okay. Oh. Okay, so this is a pretty good base for the pool. Next project will be putting up the pool. Thank you for watching and see you next video.
Quick about this channel. Frequent short videos about 5 to 10 minutes. No music, very little editing. Everyday common and simple tasks. Do not forget to subscribe, like the video, hit that bell notification. By doing that you will help this channel tremendously. Comment on how much you like this video. Ideas for more videos or suggestions on how things can be done better. Thank you for watching.